Hello and good evening. Hello, is my sound coming? Hello. The news was positive and it gave little bit some sell side to the sell side, little movement to the sell side, but there was a regular bullish divergence in RSI windows. Market was creating lower lows and lower highs, but the RSI was making higher highs and higher lows. But this is the main structure level. Market can again give sell from this level. If the market is breaking this above market structure level, it can be bullish. So we have to wait in such condition because there is a volatility in the market at this time. We have to be bear. We have to be a patience. Just 1 minute regular bullish divergence gave this amazing scalping move. Now let me to count the pips of this little movement. Oh, 138 pips to the upside by just looking 1 minute regular bullish divergence. Now let's see what happens. Market is ranging in this area. We have to wait to break any side. After that we will see either it is bullish or bearish trend. So wait would be better option at this level. Six minutes have passed after the news. The market is ranging in this area. Let us see another time frames. 5 minutes is also in ranging position, but the selling volume in this candle is very high. It is called ultra high volume. And 15 minutes, the market has grabbed the liquidity in 15 minutes. Now let's see what happens. Either it is going to the buy side or sell side. According to the volume, the previous candle of the 15 minutes was a bullish candle. Now you can see the volume in the previous candle is higher than the red candle. If this selling candle closes to the downside its body, then we will see again the sell. We have to wait the closing of this 15 minutes candle. Either it is closing under the screen and these all the candles, and this is a very important order block level. We have to wait on this order block level to decide the market makers where they want to go. Patience is very important in this market, otherwise we will destroy our accounts, we will wash out our valuable amounts. So be patient. This is 30 minutes time frame. It's also in ranging position, but the RSI is showing some sell side movement because the pink line is over the black line. This is the selling hint. Let's see what happens. In the 13 minutes time frame, market had shifted its ranging position to the sell side on this level. This was the time today, 11 a.m. in the morning before the London session. After that, the market is continuously in sell position. This is the 4-hour chart. 4-hour is also describing the sell side movement. Let's see what happens. The sell pressure is more than the buyer pressure. Here I am discussing about the volume in 4-hour time frame. Let's see. This candle, 4-hour candle, was closed yesterday in New York session. It means the New York session, the smart money had decided to move to the sell side again. After that, these 3 candles, after the closing of this candle, these 3 candles took a retracement to the upside and approached this order block of 4 hours. Now you can see clearly. To see a bigger or higher time frame will clear the picture of future trades, future planning. What kind of trades we have to see whole the day, the market, and the night. Since last night the market reached up to this order block level at about 10 a.m. early in the morning. After that, continuously market has given this sell. The 4-hour time frame is telling us the clear picture about this selling movement, and smart money had already decided yesterday to give this selling movement. So we always check the higher time frame. Now you can see here the previous level, the previous structure was higher, and all these 4-hour candles were closing with the body under this candle. Now I am showing you my candle closing technique. No any candle body, 4-hour candle body, broke this above candle. This green candle tried to prices pushed to the upside, but it was failed. The sellers reduced this price and closed this green and bullish candle inside this red candle's body. That is the clear sign of selling pressure at this resistance level. So we have to be very careful. We have to see the higher time frame every time we open our chart. Now let's move to the some lower time frame. Now 1 hour is also going to the downside. What about 30 minutes? This is the news movement candle, which is coming to the downside and again going to the upside. This is the volatility time. We have to be very careful in this situation. You can see clear that market is making lower lows and lower highs, but the RSI is still above the 30 band of this this band 30. If the market if the RSI goes under this 30 band, we will see more sell, but the RSI is not going under this 30 band. This is the early sign of some bullishness, early sign. But this is the 1 minute time frame. This can also break this line, but we have to wait. Now let's see where the price have reached. Price have reached up to this fair value gap level. It has filled it. This was a fair value gap, small fair value gap in 5 minutes time frame, and reached this order block, and the market has given this bullish movement since last night. It started this bullish movement at the 9 p.m. Whole the day market went to the upside and again returned back. This was a buy side liquidity. Market took it, and now let's see what happens. We have to wait here. RSI is still showing the bullishness. Let's see what happens. Whenever any trend is changed from the buy to sell or from sell to buy, it transfer its structure in 1 minute. So we have to watch this in 1 minute time frame, which is very visible here that RSI is showing some bullishness in RSI. If it breaks again, we will see sell, otherwise it will break this above structure level. First of all, it should break this structure and then this structure, slowly and gradually. Let's see what happens. This is the market. We have to wait in this situation. Now look at these high volumes, and there were no any high volumes available because the smart money has entered in the market. So many buy and sells order are being put here in this market, but decision would be final where the smart money intends to move the prices. Let's see what is happening in the BTC. Oh, let me to see in 1 minute 1 hour chart. market has given this bullish trend since last night 2 a.m. I think that was the closing of the previous day. The bullish trend in a BTC started since 2 a.m. last night and is still going to the upside, and it has filled now this fair value gap completely. It has filled it. Now we have to wait here. Either the market will break this level and this huge selling candle, powerful candle, or the market can return back to the sell side after filling this fair value gap. We have to wait. Let's see what is happening in a gold. Gold is going slowly to the upside. What do you think? Is these a regular bullish divergence and bearish divergence working or not? You can check my today's previous London session stream. I have also discussed about so many examples of bearish and bullish regular divergences previously when the market gave so many trends. This is the regular bullish divergence. Check out, see clear picture. Market is making lower lows and the RSI is making higher highs. Now see here, the market was making higher highs, but the RSI was making the lower lows and lower highs. Now see the sell and see the buy. By just looking these divergences, we can catch amazing trades in this market. Now you can see here another regular bearish divergence. It has given so many pips to the downside, so many pips. You can check out here. So in the same way, market has created this regular bullish divergence. It's going to the upside. Now we have to wait to close any side. Till that, wait would be better option. Hello Mohammed Bakir, how are you? Market has given 137 pips from this regular bullish divergence. I think it's a good profit in just by looking the 1 minute time frame, 1 minute divergence. Now there is a question, when to see a perfect trade and where to start our first buy. Now you can see here the market was creating some lower lows and lower highs, and at this level the market tried to push up in this candle, and this candle was closed and it touched the previous order block level. These are the symptoms which we have to see where and when to catch the perfect buy trade after looking this regular bullish divergence. Now you can see here the selling candles are coming, but the volume in these selling candles is decreasing. Decreasing, it means the interest of the sellers is decreasing. There is not much interest. And the very next bullish candle, you can see here the volume in this bullish candle is greater than the previous selling candle. This is the perfect hint, this is the perfect candle, and this is also a hammer type candle on the support level. We have to wait to close this candle. After the closing of this candle, we have to sit in the buy. Our stop loss is under this wick of this candle, and the TP we have to set on this structure level. Safe TP always is the candles which is 109 pips, because more greed can return our earning pips and it will reverse our profits. So the perfect take profit level is always the closing of the previous structure body, which stands here 109 pips. I think so it's a sufficient in just 8 minutes. In just 8 minutes, by looking regular bullish divergence and the hints of the volume. Now I am showing you another selling hint here to catch this selling movement. Look at this candle. Now the market tried to come here and started its selling. What did the smart money do here? There were so many stop losses of the sellers. The sellers were selling at these levels, at these swing points. Some sellers sit here, some here, some here, some here, and some here. This is the liquidity which the market was creating after, and in the news market gave another selling candle and again went back to grab the liquidity of the sellers which were sitting since 4:46 time. It means half and 1.5 an hour before the news, when the market grabbed their liquidity, and the very first candle was bearish engulfing candle. Bearish engulfing candle. After the closing of this candle, we could sit in by just this is the stop loss, and TP is 134 pips. But to trade in a news is very difficult and very risky. I will never recommend you, but I am showing you how the market works and grab the liquidity and gives such type of amazing small trades. In future, you see this type of structure you have to trade like this. This is the first volume. Hint, sellers are sitting here. After the retracement, this selling came up to this order block level. Now the market had created three impulsive bullish candles, and there are two fair value gaps available. One is here and another is in this candle. So market can come to fill these fair value gaps and can return back again. Otherwise it will break this area and order block level. We have to wait, but the scalping was possible in this situation. Now you can see here the market was going to the upside, but the buying volumes were reducing. And what is here, you can see 1 minute candle, selling has started during the buy. Again sellers here and again sellers here. These three high volumes in the selling side, during the buy side. What are they doing? Smart money is selling in the bullish trend. The result you can see here. Where from it is coming? The market is coming from this important order block. Look here, this is the 1 minute order block where from market reached and giving us this sell. In this way we can see small scalping trades. You are unable to see the chart. What is the problem in chart? I'm not getting your question. I think the chart is clear. If you understand my teaching, like my stream and subscribe our channel. Like the stream. Now market has reached in the second fair value gap level. Okay, great. Is the chart clear now? Oh, Mr. MV saying that FX trading is trash. Would you like to tell how it is trash? What's your idea about the trashing this FX trading? What is the problem in chart? Oh, you are new, you don't know. Don't worry, I will guide you. Don't worry, don't worry. The market reached in another fair value gap level, and now trying to move up again, and it has also created impulsive candle to the sell side. Let's see what happens. Market can return back from this level, or it will break this impulsive candle. Anything can happen here in this market. We have to take small trades if we want to scalp, otherwise we must take the long positions to see the 1 hour time frame. Good movement is always starts in the action sessions. Alpesh Raval, total PL means, what do you want to ask? I'm not getting you. Abrao, Pedro, Saturno asking, I just fell in this channel. Is this channel only for education, or trades can also be positioned during the live, sir? The majority of the setups I tell here, and I give the education here, but sometimes I also give the setups too. But try to learn from the teaching what I am telling here. I am trying to empower you to get your own trades. According to the bigger or higher time frame, the selling pressure is greater than the buy. Now here two things can happen. Either the market will return back from this fair value gap level, or it will break it and will move to the upside. These fair value gaps are made to reject the prices. If these fair value gaps are filled totally and the price break these fair value gap candles, the price have to move up more and will reject these fair value gaps. Now we have to wait what the price will do at this level. This is the waiting point. This is the waiting point. This is the decision point. Here the smart money decides what to do, where to move the prices, either to the upside or to the sell side. Waiting would be the better option to save our valuable accounts. Now look, the pressure of the buyers have filled and trying to break this impulsive selling candle. because RSI was totally telling us the bullishness. From this level, market again came for the retracement and trying to reach out to the upside after filling this fair value gap. As I told earlier, these fair value gaps are used to reject the prices because the so many buyers orders were placed by the smart money. Some were executed and some remained here. Market came down, took their orders, and after picking the those orders, market is again moving to the upside. These gaps are very valuable, very attractive, very powerful to decide the prices to move to their original locations. Bullish fair value gap will give you the buy, and the bearish fair value gap will give us the sell. Now look at this bearish fair value gap. This was the bearish fair value gap. Market went to the downside, and after that came, filled this fair value gap and returned the price. Now you can see here these fair value gaps work more greater in this market. I have observed small profits you can take from here. You can see this was another fair value gap. Market also rejected from this level and gave this bullish movement up to the market structure level, and here market did not broke this with the body and again created equal highs according to the smart money concept and gave us this sell movement. Market again did just like the previous. This is equal high, equal high, equal high. What is this? This is the engineered liquidity. Engineered liquidity is made when the prices return back from the same level. This is the liquidity. Market have to grab this liquidity. This is an external liquidity, and that was the internal liquidity. Sellers stop losses market took and went to the sell side, and this is the external liquidity. Market is trying to pick this external liquidity. So market works just like this. We have to find out where the liquidity is present, what the smart money intends to do. Now you can see here this is the bullish high volume candle, and the buy was started from this level. Now I am telling you the IFVG here. FVG and IFVG. When any FVG which does not work, this selling FVG was made, market had to return back after filling this fair value gap to the sell side, but it did not rejected from this level, and it created another fair value gap exact its opposition side, and it has again created a fair value gap opposite this fair value gap. This is inversion fair value gap. It means market intends to move upside. Now it can come to fill this fair value gap to move again to the buy side. Either it will direct move to the upside, and it is not necessary that each fair value gap should be filled at this level. Market can come again anytime to fill these fair value gaps. Hello Charisu, how are you? What is this? Look at these price actions. What the price is doing. In the news time, price does always and makes such type of candles to make our to destroy our accounts, our amounts, our liquidity. We have to be very careful here, but the volume is a little bit hinting some buy movement, but you can see here the buy sell movement is surrounding here, is moving surrounding in this selling candle. We have to wait to close this bullish candle to the upside. Till that we are not sure the market will move to the upside or not. Now here you can see the market has given this bullish movement, and the RSI has shifted to the 50 moving average line. This is also a bullish sign, and the pink line is under the black line. This is also a bullish sign according to the RSI. Now let's see what happens. Thanks, Bakir. Try to learn from my streams, and you have to check out the playlists of my this YouTube channel. I have made so many videos for you about the volume learning and RSI learning. Almost the content is made in a Urdu language, and I have now started to make the videos and live streams in English as well, because my some students are also from the foreign countries, and the demand increased to make the content in English. That's why I am making the English content too on my channel. You can find multilingual content on my channel. Basically my language is Sindhi. There are some Sindhi content is also available. Urdu content, Urdu and Hindi is same, and now the English content is also available on my this channel. You can check out my channel. Chersu, what kind of entry you are finding for the buy side or for the sell side? Which sell or buy? Now look, market is trying to fill this fair value gap. Let's see what happens, and it has broken the previous structure with body of the green candle. Now you can check out the body of this green candle is little bit higher than this previous structure. Market slowly transfers its structure. Now you can see here the first candle, bullish candle. After that, after the retracement or pullback, market again went back and it was closed little bit higher than this previous structure. After that, it reached here and gave some pullback, and after this level it has closed this green candle above this structure. All these candles have been broken by this single green candle. Now you can clearly see, it means the market is shifting its structure in 1 minute time frame to the upside. Let's see what happens. And these impulsive moves are the sign. These impulsive candles, green candles, are the sign to shift from the support to the resistance, support to the resistance. And we have to wait to break the structure to any side until we can see scalping, not any complete buy or sell trend. Now it has filled the fair value gap, which I was talking about some minutes ago. Fair value gaps work amazingly in this market. Be careful in this range. Don't take any long position on these levels, because the market is in ranging position, giving the sell from the resistance and giving the buy from support level. Be very careful. If you have the much practice about the scalping, then you can take the risk, otherwise you will lose your money. Now, how could we take this sell? Now, see here, just by looking the volume, the buy was going, but the volumes were decreasing. Always see the volume divergence. When you have to see the complete bullish trend, the volumes will increase by this way. Otherwise, they will give you a divergence. They will be against your trend. The market was making the bullish candles, but the volume was decreasing. At the final position, it gives some higher volumes than some previous volumes. Now you can see here, that was the last buying volume, a little bit smaller. After that, the long volume, and you have to compare the last buying volume with the next selling volume, and this is the inverted hammer candle, which is a selling sign. After the closing of this 1 minute selling candle, you have to take a risk. This is your stop loss, just 27 to 30 pips, and the reward you can get, look, 94 pips in just some minutes. How many minutes? Now, just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. In just 5 minutes, you can get up to 90 pips to the sell side by just looking the volume indicator. I only use the volume and RSI indicators to catch the perfect trades. So this is a the ranging position market, and I decided to teach some hints about the RSI volume. So I hope you understand well. If you have understood and learned some points from my stream, comment here and tell me, or if you have any confusion, let me to know. I will try to solve your confusions. So see you in the next live stream.